M1 Finance Honest Review. Watch before using. M1 Finance is an innovative investment platform designed for those who want to combine automated investing with customizable portfolios. It's perfect for beginners looking for a user-friendly platform and seasoned investors who appreciate control over their investments. M1 stands out with its Pi system, allowing users to allocate funds into pre-designed or fully customizable portfolios, giving you the flexibility to invest your way. The platform offers commission-free trading, fractional shares, and automated rebalancing, making it a great choice for anyone aiming to grow their wealth systematically. Its additional features, like the M1 Borrow and M1 Spend accounts, allow you to access low-interest loans against your portfolio or manage your finances in one ecosystem, bridging the gap between investing and personal finance. However, there are some limitations you need to consider. M1 doesn't support day trading or individual stock analysis tools, so it's not ideal for active traders or those seeking real-time stock insights. It also lacks tax loss harvesting, which could be a drawback for investors with high taxable accounts. While the automation is excellent, it might feel limiting if you prefer hands-on control over the timing of your trades. Additionally, its trading windows are restricted to 1 or 2 daily batches, depending on your account tier. Speaking of tiers, the M1 Plus subscription unlocks more features, like a second trading window and higher APYs for M1 Spend, but comes with an annual fee. You'll need to evaluate if these extras justify the cost based on your usage. In summary, M1 Finance is best suited for long-term, goal-oriented investors who appreciate automation and want to simplify their financial ecosystem. If you're looking for a platform that's easy to use, helps you stick to your financial strategy, and offers tools for both investing and spending, M1 Finance could be a game changer. But if you're a hands-on trader or need advanced tax and trading tools, this might not be your ideal fit. Hopefully, this honest review gave you clarity on whether M1 Finance aligns with your investment goals. Thanks for watching.